Little activity in the valley today. This was Harlingen. Take a look at that. Dust devil. That dust devil kind of spinning away. That was in the Harlingen area. That came to us from Franklin de Leon. Dust devils are, well, they're almost like mini tornadoes, but they're clear air funnels, if you will. There's no thunderstorm associated with it. Usually happen on relatively clear days, light wind days, and winds can get up to 60 miles an hour in some of the bigger ones. This is pretty good size. Certainly get your attention if you're driving by, if you're walking around out there. Kind of messy, but that's a dust devil. That was in Harlingen today. Thanks again to Franklin de Leon for sending that to us by way of Facebook. Let's look at what's going on outside right now. These are your current temperatures across the valley. We are cool, especially Harlingen, Raymondville, 51. It's 61 on the island, 55 Brownsville right now. Those are current temperatures. Let's watch what's going to happen tonight temperature-wise, and it goes down a little more, but not a lot, probably bottoming out right near 50. So Harlingen, you may have bottomed out already. It'll go down a little bit more. And then by lunchtime tomorrow, we're back in the mid-70s. It's going to be a beautiful day, but a little bit breezier tomorrow. The winds out of the southeast, 15 to 25. By 5 o'clock, still in the low to mid-70s on the island, now or valley-wide. Now let's go to 10 o'clock tomorrow night. By this time, instead of being in the low 50s, we'll be in the mid to upper 60s, so a much more mild evening. And then Sunday morning, we start in the mid-60s. Temperatures climb close to 80. Top out in the 80s during the afternoon, and by 5 o'clock back in the upper 70s again. Now watch what happens on Monday. Future Track's pretty aggressive with temperatures, starting at 70, and by afternoon, mid to upper 90s. Now I think we will see that on Tuesday. Future Track suggests we'll see it on Monday. Either way, they could be very, very warm the early part of next week. The top line represents your high temperatures. The average high for this time of year is up to 78 starting tomorrow. We go 78, 84, 87, 94 on Tuesday. And then it's a little bit cooler for the middle part of next week, courtesy of another front. Nighttime lows warm up pretty quickly as well. There's your cloud cover today. Patchy clouds moving overhead, and I think overnight we'll see patchy clouds, and during the daytime tomorrow, same kind of thing. The wind's back out of the southeast, so moisture begins to move back in tomorrow. Sunday, it's a mix of clouds and sun, but I think there'll be plenty of the sun in that mix. Should be a pretty nice day. Monday, I think we see a fair amount of sunshine again with that temperatures warm up. Some high clouds moving across from the upper atmosphere across a lot of Texas, and Future Track says they'll be there again tomorrow, but by tomorrow our southeast wind kicks back in. And once you get a southeast wind, you start to take the dew points up, the moisture starts to go up, humidity starts to go up, so you start to feel that a little bit. A little bit tomorrow, a lot more on Sunday, much more humid, much more windy on Sunday. By Monday, there's fronts all over the place, none of them here yet, so Monday's a warm day. Tuesday's a very warm day. I think the wind flow aloft could be out of the southwest for a time on Monday. Even the surface winds may be out of the south, and that combination could make it very warm Tuesday into the mid-90s. Tuesday night, Wednesday, that front comes through. Could it trigger a shower? It could. Right now we think that's just a very slight possibility. More than likely it'll be dry, and it's going to stay dry after that for the foreseeable future. So your rain chances, not very good. It's pretty darn dry the next several days. Dry, 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 and dry beyond that. So for tonight, partly cloudy and chilly, 48 for low, light southeast winds. Tomorrow back to 78 with plenty of sunshine, but it's also breezy and warm. Count on there being a few high clouds around. Southeast winds at 15 to 25. Back to 84 on Sunday, 87 on Monday, 94 on Tuesday. Notice windy's in there, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And then a front comes through, and we're a bit cooler for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Temperatures back closer to normal with highs in the 70s, lows in the 60s on Wednesday, and 50s on Thursday and Friday. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.